Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. So today we are trying to understand how we can enable the generative AI search in a Power Pages. So this is the future is from long time it is available in a preview stage, but recently on September 11th, 2025, Microsoft make it as a generally available. So once Microsoft has been announced it as a generally available, then we can use that future it is in our production also. So now mm, finally Microsoft has been introduced this feature as a generally available. So now how we can use this feature in our existing Power Pages site, and from where we need to enable this, and where we need to go and where we need to enable. So first for that, you need to go visit the Microsoft make that Power Pages website. So basically, as you can see on the screen, I'm going to make that powerpages.com studio. So in the studio, as you can see, first you need to select the environment. Okay. So here I am selecting developer environment because I am right now working in a developer environment. So in your perspective, you need to select whether as per your required environment. So I have selected here developer environment, and after that I need to click on the edit option. Okay, edit button. So once I have clicked on the edit button, it will redirect me to the one screen. As you can see on the screen, so the left hand navigation, these all pages, whatever the pages are there. So account page is there, admission page is there. There are so multiple pages are there. So basically I want to enable now this generative AI search in a which is comes under the copilot feature. So where I need to go and enable this one. So as you can see on the screen, the left hand side, pages, styling or data and setup and security is there, right? So you can see here setup option is there. Okay, setup. On click of the setup, then you are able to see here new under the copilot. There is a two features are there. One is site search and agent add agent. Still it is in a preview stage. This is not completely generally available, which we can use in a production, but as of now only concentrate on a site search. Okay, so here you can see there are like a multiple options are there in site search. So as you can see on the screen, enable keyword search powered by the dataverse search. Results are provided to the site visitor based on the keywords they are searched with. So here, as you know that Power Pages is backend system as of now. Most of the companies like it will be like a configured the data whatever the coming from the dataverse itself, Microsoft dataverse. So if you whatever the results, if it is not included in the page, also if it is included in the dataverse search, if you are enabling this one, then automatically it will get those details and it will get enabled. So here you can just simply you need to toggle this one. Okay, unsee toggle. Though by this is a keyword search. For example, if you type some name like there are multiple names are there like a Anjali Sharma, Mohammad Shafiuddin, like a Vinit Katkam, Veera Manikanta, like this, we have a multiple names are there. So if you only specific name by name or else something which is like, for example, I am from Hyderabad, and from someone is from Dubai, someone is from Japan. So only with respect of this one, if you want to search it, the keyword you want to enter, so that at that time, at that point of time, this feature will be useful. Now, next one is enable site search with the generative AI. So this is quite new feature. What is this? We'll try to understand this one. See, search results auto summarized. For example, you have given some data to the AI, artificial intelligence. Automatically, based on your provided data, based on the entity list, it might be formed. So it will generate the automatically summary. Okay, based on the you data, whatever the data, and it will show some flow charts, paragraphs, and like this, whatever the summary is there, right? Those all will get. So for this, if you enable if you want to see that one, so you need to enable this one. And again, if you see underneath of this, again, if you see this one, see if you see enable auto suggestions. So if something, if you want to get automatically suggestion, you know that auto suggestion feature, it's like from long time ago we are already using this one, but still auto suggestion which with respect to of the copilot, which we are like it's a quite completely new. So now I am trying to enable this option also. As you can see on the screen, refined data search selection to provide search results last updated 9/14/151. Okay, 1:51 p.m. Now you can see here, you can refresh it. So based on that recent whatever the time is there, right? So it will get the recent time. Okay, if you want to make any changes also, you can see here whatever the refined data from where you want to give those all you can select here, and refine selection data you can provide here. So leave about this one. These two features are mostly important as of now, which we can bring which we can use in a production also, which make appearance of your power pages which will be a very user friendly. Okay, now what I'll do, simply I have enabled this one, right? Now what I'll do, I'll sync this Power Pages site. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go here, Power Pages, and here I have a multiple buttons, but I have accounts in the system. Okay, I'm going to accounts. As you can see on the screen, accounts already it's generated. Okay, so you can see this is already it's coming because of this. So now I'll make it as a preview. So once I have making it as a preview, the page is getting displayed as you can see on the screen. So here, see the mm, see basically, if you see, this is the old this is the one which is this is my basically entity list, but based on my entity list, automatically AI generation has been automatically it has been generated, like account distribution active, high volume, who like a testing or variation there, like these are the records which has been created. So whatever the available data available in the entity list, right? Based on that, a summary has been automatically prepared by the uh, chat gpt type, it will be have internally called the copilot, okay, which has been automatically generated. Now if you see, there are like a see suggestion. So one, we have enabled one suggestion feature also, right? So you can see here, suggest show accounts with main phone field. Okay, so if you have here a main phone, see here we don't have a Kerala Warriors, we don't have a mobile phone. Chennai Warriors, we don't have a mobile phone. Test, we don't have a mobile phone. Testing 15 December 2024, we don't have a mobile phone. So what I will do, see, simply I'll select this one. See, automatically it should get show the results without mobile number. See, automatically it's getting the only it's showing whatever the filling data is there, right? So it is showing like this. So these are the predefined prompts which has been generated by the Microsoft Power Pages. Okay, no, I don't want to use this one. So for example, if you want to you write some custom and you want to use those, you can use simply first you can click on the reset all. Mm, okay, so I'll search with the name of Ramesh. Okay, so Ramesh, and I'm clicking on the enter button. So you can see there is a Ramesh Nagam, one record is there which has been showed. Okay, okay. So now what I will do, um, s- um, mobile phone. Okay, mobile mobile phone mobile phone contains 1 2 3. Just whoever contains mobile phone 1 2 3, right, get the results. Okay, simply mobile phone contains 1 2 3. How many? See, Aditya Nagam, Karsilaviria, and D365, Hyderabad, Kalpana Chaudhary, Raju Rajura, Ramesh Nagam. So these many records are having this one. So like this, if we can, so earlier we don't have this feature, like it's in like a natural, how natural language we can write, whatever you can write, and you can interact with the system, and you based on your if you don't have that much capable of futures also, by simply writing in a natural language you can get results. So this is the future which has been Microsoft recently made it as a generally available. Earlier also we have, but it is not, it is in preview state, but recently Microsoft. So that's it for the today. So in this video we have learned about the summary sheet. You can see all accounts are marked as active, and see these are whatever the emails field left blank throughout, only one account Kalpana Chaudhary specific with the this is see. Only having Kalpana Chaudhary is having NYC. Apart from that, no one having a address one field. So in the summary sheet, it's automatically generating. No one writing anything. It's automatically generating with the help of the copilot. So if you enable this feature, these are the features will get automatically used. And now it is generally available to use in a production environment. That's it for the today. Thank you very much for watching Joyful Learning 365 YouTube. Let's meet in next video.